A malfunctioning inside car door handle can be frustrating, making it difficult to open your door from the inside. Properly diagnosing and repairing an interior door handle can save time and prevent further damage. Start by locating the small plastic cover that sits just behind the interior door handle. Use a screwdriver to carefully lift this cover open. Once removed, it exposes a screw that secures the panel in place. Remove this screw. Next, look for the round plastic retainer clip near the door handle. To release it, gently push the center of the pin inward. You can then use a pick tool to pull the clip out. Now move on to the window switch panel. Using a trim removal tool, carefully lift up the panel from one side. Work it until it pops up. You will see two electrical connectors. To disconnect them, press down on the locking tab and gently pull them out. With the switch panel removed, you will notice there is a hidden screw underneath. Remove this screw. Then remove the door panel. Start at the bottom edge of the panel and slide your trim removal tool between the panel and the door, prying it outward gently. Work your way around the entire panel until every clip is released. Once all clips are free, take out the panel completely from the door. On the back side of the door, you will see the interior door handle assembly attached. To remove it, press in the locking tab on the side of the handle and slide it out of the panel. The plastic piece that is supposed to hold the end of the cable has broken off. To fix this, take a piece of copper wire and wrap it tightly around the end of the cable and body of the handle. This keeps the cable from sliding out of its slot when the handle is pulled. Sometimes, if the handle itself is cracked or no longer functional, detach the door handle from the panel. Then place a new handle in the door panel. Snap the handle tab into place and make sure it is properly secured. Then reinstall the door panel, reattach any wires you disconnected for removal. Feed the wiring harness for the window control up through its opening. Then reinstall the cable to the door handle by inserting its end at the handle. To secure the door panel, start at the top, making sure the door lock slips through its opening. Press the top edge into place at the window. When the top edge is properly seated, the tabs of the panel should align with the openings on the door. Check the panel to make sure it is securely fastened all the way around. Reinstall the fastener you removed from behind the door handle. Press their cover back into place. Reinstall the fastener behind the grab handle of the door. Snap the window switch bezel back into place. Check the new door handle to make sure it is working correctly. By following these steps, you will restore your inside door handle to full working condition.